Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new in today's video, I'm going to be doing a short and sweet Sephora VIB recommendations. I frequently shop at Sephora for skincare, hair care, and of course makeup. So I thought I would share some products that I really do find worthwhile and some products I will be restocking up on during this sale. So if you like videos about makeup, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I hope you'll keep watching. So first up, my first recommendation is some skincare, and that is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Now I have very sensitive acne prone skin, so I have to be very careful with the moisturizers that I use. My skin has been moving away from being oily to a little bit drier. And I found that this really doesn't irritate my skin. It looks like this. It's really soft, just a white, nice, lightweight formula that doesn't make your skin too greasy, but it hydrates you very nicely. You can wear this under makeup or at nighttime for a deeper moisturize. And I love the fact that it is made with hyaluronic acid, so this is quite pricey. All of Peter Thomas Roth skincare is more high-end, but it works very well, and I found that this is gentle on my sensitive skin. So I would recommend this if you're in the market for a good moisturizer and you have sensitive and acne prone skin as well. Now I'm going to be picking up a full bottle of this, hopefully at this sale, and that's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Toner. And I noticed that BHAs do really well on my skin. They really help open up my pores. I primarily put this on my nose and T-zone, and I noticed that it really makes my pores in my nose a lot smaller and kind of cleans them out. I also love the watermelon scent. Again, I was a bit hesitant that this might irritate my skin because of the watermelon scent, but I find that it doesn't, and it really helps clear out my skin actually. I love this. It smells exactly like watermelon, and I will be definitely picking up a larger bottle of this. Moving on to hair care, I picked up the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray at the last sale because I was dealing with a lot of hair shedding. I think the stress of the pandemic really caused my hair to fall out, along with going a long time during the pandemic and not getting my hair cut. This definitely does strengthen your hair, but what I really like about this is it doesn't weigh your hair down. So many heat protectants really make your hair greasy, but this does not. And as you can see, I've used quite a lot of it. So I just enjoy using this after I get out of the shower. Sometimes I use it as a detangler as well. It doesn't really have a smell, but I definitely notice a difference whenever I'm using this. My hair feels a lot smoother. It holds the style better. So I have been impressed with that product. Moving on to some eyeshadow palettes. The Norvina palette is quite a classic by Anastasia. It is beautiful. I've only used it a few times. I was actually gifted it by my friend Maggie, so shout out to her. The shimmers are beautiful. The purples are very wearable. I think it's a great holiday palette, and if you don't have it in your collection, you should give it a try. Another palette I love is the Pretty Rich palette by Too Faced. This is a gorgeous palette if you love shimmers. I think it's an excellent value for how much you get in each pan. I love Too Faced shadows. They're very easy to work with minimal fallout. This gold pigment is my absolute favorite. I think this is also a great holiday palette. Moving on to some makeup items. If you're looking for a nice lightweight setting powder, you should pick up one of these from Clinique. It's just a pressed powder. It comes with a little sponge. And this is just great to kind of powder your nose, your forehead. If you're not looking to set as heavily or bake, so this is just really nice. I actually keep this in my purse and use it primarily for touch-ups. Also, it doesn't clog my pores or trigger my acne. Some mascaras that I've really been liking since my favorite MAC mascara is no longer sold. I do like the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Jaclyn Hill actually recommended it, so I thought I'd try it out. And it does get a little clumpy, but it gives you excellent volume, and I love it for my top lashes. So I may pick up another one of these. As far as an everyday mascara goes, I love the Clinique High Impact Mascara. This is great for your top and bottom lashes. It really darkens your lashes up. If you have very light eyelashes like I do, the wand is very easy to use, does not get clumpy whatsoever. One of my favorite lipsticks that I'm looking to pick up some more is the Liquid Lip by Smashbox. I have this one in the color Driver's Seat. Took me a hot minute to figure that one out. And the applicator could be better in my opinion. Also, you don't get a ton in the bottle, and these are like $24. However, this stays on literally all day. It's very matte, does not move. I love the color. It's very wearable, so I'm considering getting some brighter colors for the holidays. Finally, moving on to two staple skincare items I use basically every day, and that's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I definitely like the green apple flavor a lot better than the vanilla. The vanilla is just kind of like, it's just vanilla. It's kind of boring, and it would be nice if I actually smelled the container so I could tell you what it smells like. But this smells like really, really good, like really refreshing, fruity, not too overpowering. So I recommend the apple scent if you haven't tried it out. Finally, if you've ever watched any of my other videos, chances are I have talked about the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow product, and this is also an AHA resurfacing night serum. It's made with this flower extract, so it's a lot gentler than a lot of other AHAs or BHA cleansers or exfoliators. So this is nice and gentle for sensitive skin, also clears out the pores, really helps with acne. So definitely pick this up if you also struggle with acne. Those are my recommendations for the sale. Let me know what you'll be picking up down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!